Hey everybody, it's Charlie from Daily Motor, and I am so excited to be taking a look at this brand new 2022 Hyundai Ioniq 5. I am so excited about this car. You guys know me, EV owner. There aren't too many cars that I would consider giving up the Tesla life for, but this is absolutely one of them. For those of you who've watched my channel for a while, you know I've always been a fan of the Ioniq, whether it was the hybrid, the plug-in hybrid, the full electric. But this thing is taking it up to the next level in style, in range, in performance, in interior, in everything. It is the real deal, and it is, no lie, one of the cars I am the most excited for here in 2021. So, let's take a little look around. We're not going to look at every single tiny little nitty-gritty feature and cool thing about this car because there are so many, and we're definitely going to have time to do that more once we get this car back in Michigan. But I want to just kind of show you some of the highlights that we've been talking about here and was seeing on our drive here for Santa Cruz out in California. A lot of really smart design elements. They've really blended futuristic with smart with this car, starting right off with the door handles. Press that unlock button and they all appear to you. You all know that's one of my gripes with the Model Y, is that you gotta kind of do a two-handed technique to get in. Not these, they present themselves to you. And check out this interior. Look at the lighting around this Bose speaker. Look at this, a little leg rest that can come up because you can recline this whole seat back and get total lounge mode for when you're sitting and charging. You can tell the engineers and designers really just got to have fun with this car. And I love being in cars that you can tell there was fun involved. There's fun baked into the vehicle. I love having a sunshade over the panoramic sunroof. Get myself back up in position. Interesting call to not go with any sort of badging on the steering wheel. It's a very clean, chic, but I almost think of like a mannequin with no face. I don't know if I'm a big fan of that. It'll be interesting to see what people think. Let me know in the comments. I know it's kind of cliche, but I'm genuinely curious. Look at this. This is a magnet, so you can put things on there. Are people going to be irresponsible and put like fridge magnet stuff on there? I don't know. You can kind of add for some customization though. Look at this thing. You got this whole giant center area that opens up, plenty of storage, but then this whole thing slides back so you can get it kind of out of your way. I know Alyssa would love to put her purse right here, but I genuinely think I might replace the Tesla with this car. This is where it's at. Awesome gauge cluster. Got a head-up display in there. I'm sure you can't see it right now, but it is there. I could spend so long driving this car. What do you need to know about it? Well, about 75 kilowatt hours of usable battery, rear-wheel drive or all-wheel drive. That rear-wheel drive model is going to get you nearly 300 miles of range. Yeah, 300. That's some serious business. I like it. I really do. I want it, guys. It's the want is so real with this car. Maybe we should sell the Tesla to Vroom right now and start saving up. I see at least 5 speakers up here for this Bose audio system, so I'm sure it's gonna be bumping. Let's hop into the back seat. Handles are still out. I like that. Nice Ioniq kick plate. Plenty of storage space, more cool design elements. You do have some sunshades. I like that. Put down armrest. And tons of room. Look at all this knee room. This definitely reminds me of the Model Y. And then coming into the back, you see some of these really cool design elements as well. All these sort of pixels that they call it. Pop open the trunk. Greeted with a large storage area. You don't have those big storage wells that we really appreciate in the Model Y. And not really any trunk underfloor storage as well. So that's a bit of a bummer, especially since you don't have a spare. So I wonder why they weren't able to do that. You'd definitely be giving up some cargo space. It'll be neat to see official cargo numbers. And do these seats not fold? I mean, this is probably a pre-production car, but it's not looking like there's a way to fold the seats. Ah, here we are. Okay, so decently flat load surface, not completely flat, but definitely usable. And this is definitely a feature that I would appreciate. I don't know why Teslas don't do this. First of all, that thing is powered, so that's good. Although, there we go. I kind of get used to it. You can plug this in and actually get, if you can see it under there, a 120 volt wall style outlet in here with full, I've been told it's about maximum power, so about 15 amps or so. You could actually charge another EV, you could use all sorts of electricity, whatever sort of element you might want to power with your car, you can plug in and do that. I think that is awesome. And this is a little charging amount indicator, which I think is cool too. So, the Ioniq 5, one of the most exciting cars for me here in 2021. Cannot wait to get behind the wheel. So make sure you subscribe to Daily Motor for when we get our chance to put this on our efficiency test, do a DM test drive, do a sound system test, and of course compare it against our Model Y. And we'll see you on the next one. I'm Charlie from Daily Motor, and as always, drive on.